just got the hub off, or the disc. God, that was an ordeal. It was on there pretty tight. Oh God, sorry about my camera work. Yeah, 2 bolts. I've been trying on all 4 wheels. This is the only one that I've got off. The others haven't budged yet. And spraying it with WD-40 last night, left it overnight. Yeah, so I got one off, but I snapped off one of the bolts. Bloody snapped. Where are we? In there, yeah. So I'm gonna have to fucking drill that out. So it's tough. Yeah, the reason I got it off is I just wanted to see if I can de-rust some of these parts. Yeah, I've seen people on YouTube just dropping them in at rust baths. I got this one a while ago. I can't even remember where I got it from. I'm not even sure if I've used it yet. But yeah, it's probably not a lot there, so I got this one as well. And I reckon I'll test them out. If I can get another one off. So I'm going to 4 litres of that one. So I might try that one first, pop that in. I just got some like barbecue trays. Got some more paint for the wheels. Not sure if we can do that this weekend or not. I wouldn't mind doing one more, just have a pair. And, oh yeah, my normal purchase. Lots of bloody sealing discs. Yeah, so I might do a bit of a test. I might do the disc. All tight fit in this one. See how that comes up. And then that which sat in the middle of the disc. We're going to check it out there. Do this one. Yeah, the Rustco. Rustco. Resto finish. Try that one first. Not sure if I'll short focus it all the way anyway. Might just leave it like that. Just flip it. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Thought I might clean this up a bit, see if I can access it. Yeah, it's doing a bit of a clean. I'd really like to if that rust bath works, we might see if I can take this caliper off. Yeah, but I'm just not sure for the brake fluid's going to run out, which it probably will. I'll do a bit of research because it'd be cool to get that, but I might just try and get the wire brush and the greaser. Just give her a clean, see how she cleans up. So just got stuck into it with the wire brush. and just finish off with a bit of wax and grease remover. But yeah, the wire brush, I don't think there's got a fair bit off. Oh, there's no like major rust to worry about. I cleaned up the roll on the calipers a bit. Haven't started her up for a while. It's probably been 3 weeks. So it's Friday night. And fire up. So choke all the way out. Ignition on. Lights are on. Let's get that fuel pump running. And it's alive! It's alive! Yes! She fires up every time. I'll check that oil level once she's warmed up, just to see if she's been leaking a bit. She needs some oil, so that was what was leaking. Looked like oil, so I cleaned it up. I've just put a bit of paper there. So I'll put some, when we put in it, there we go. Little 10W30, I'll look up on the interwebs. All right, you know, she's got some oil in her. We'll fire her up. Right, got them out of the rust baths. Right around of that one. Left a fair bit of sponge behind. Nice couple of bits out of that one. Yeah, and then just dried them off. Hit the bits. Oh, there's a few bits in there, and yeah, so just clean them up a bit. Oh, some that. Wow, I didn't realise you could take a photo while you're doing videos. Yeah. Learn something new every day. Come up a lot better than what they were.